What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, just Jarek, and today we're gonna shoot a new video. Two actually. It's about my mini John Cooper Works R56 from 2012. And there's two videos. The first one that you're watching right now is the 5 things that I love about my car. And the next video is the 5 things that I hate about my car. Like I said, it's the R56 from 2012, John Cooper Works, 211 brake horsepower. And first, let's get to the B-roll shots to see how beautiful the car is. Let's do this.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush.
So there we are guys, into the car. Like I said before, the first video, this video that you're watching right now is about the 5 things that I love about my Mini. It's obviously Mini John Cooper Works, so it has a 211 brake horsepower. I added a downpipe, decatless downpipe to it from Scorpion, and it adds approximately 10 more brake horsepower to the car. The first thing that I want to point out, and that's number 1 of the things that I love, is the go-kart feel. And the things that I just mentioned are adding to that. It's a very nimble, light car. I think it's around 1,200 kilos. So with that brake horsepower, it's quick. It goes approximately from 0 to 60 miles per hour, or 0 to 100 k's, in 6 to 7 seconds. So that's pretty rapid. Besides that, when you turn it in, it actually turns in. And that's a very nice feeling that you have full control over the car. It's obviously a front wheel drive car, so sometimes it's get a little loose on the front end, but that adds a lot to it, to the character of the car. Let's move on to point number 2, and that's the sport button that we have right here. Again, it also connects to the sporty feeling of the Mini and also to the go-kart feel. So when you press this button, the steering wheel becomes a lot heavier, and the gas response is also different. It's more, when you press the gas pedal just for a little, then it immediately wants to go, and you go in a distance, you know what I mean. So next thing is the third point, is the panoramic roof. It's also an option from Mini. I think this car is pretty loaded with all the functions that it has, and it's just a nice feature. I can show it right now. Then you have the sunroof things, which are pretty pointless because it gets really hot in here. Okay, point number 4 that I really love about my Mini is the interior. It's absolutely amazing. It has leather finish, it has Alcantara finish, also leather on the seats. The nice I don't know how you call it. It's like a trim on the seat. I've absolutely no idea, but the contrast stitching in red on the steering wheel. It has a multifunctional steering wheel. It has the navigation system. It has the ambilight kind of light function inside the car. We can change the color that you want, the intensity of the color that you would like. And it also has one very neat feature actually. I think not many Mini owners do know that, or non-Mini owners do know it. It has an extra glove box. So you can store for example, your glasses in it, or some papers of the car or what else. And so this is a normal glove box, and this is an extended extra Mini glove box. Point number 5 is the sound of the car. Let's move to the exhaust. So, because it's a Mini from factory with a John Cooper Works package, it has the John Cooper Works exhaust. You can also add it to Mini Cooper S, and then it has the engraving on top of it, exhaust. And I think it's not the factory one. This is the factory one, and it's actually pretty loud. So let's listen what it sounds like. And to remind you, it has a decatless downpipe, so it will pop and make some crackles. those are the 5 things that I love about my Mini, and I hope you keep watching because the next video is coming up as well, the 5 things that I hate. And thank you for watching, see you soon, please subscribe and give a thumbs up, and see you on the channel.